Hi everyone, welcome back to class. DOW has started talent pool for campus internships 2025-2026 batches, and it is in manufacturing and engineering. And the last date is September 5. Okay, and if you look at detail about it, so qualification. So one must have currently enrolled in bachelor's or master's degree program in streams like chemical engineering, process engineering, mechanical engineering, civil and electrical, and so on. And one should have excellent communication and social skills. Proficient in English and knowledge of local language is needed. And enthusiastic about tackling complex technical challenges. And if you look at skills, so one must have strong problem solving abilities and technical expertise, ability to work collaboratively in a team environment, adaptability, and willingness to learn new technologies and processes, and effective time management and organization skills. So these are the skills, okay. And if you look at the responsibilities, so one should diverse responsibilities, offering ample space for their innovative ideas to thrive. A rapid learning curve with on the job training and dedicated mentor to guide professional development and assisting in chemical plant safety and environmental performance, and also supporting process operation, optimization, modification, maintenance, and technology implementation, and applying sound technical judgments to enable safe and efficient plant operations. So these are the responsibilities that can be seen under this particular hiring. Okay, and if you look at additional notes, so DOW offers a global working atmosphere and also competitive compensation and benefits package coupled with flexible work models. So I will get you the link in the description box. Once you go through this particular link, you can easily able to apply. So this is all about today.